Before the two National League Divisional Series started this week, the conventional wisdom was that the Cubs were far and away the best team in the National League, while the Brewers had been struggling, but turned a corner and were good enough to ride CC Sabathia's broad shoulders to the League Championship Series. Conventional wisdom fell through, but how conventional can it be when one team has Chase Utley, Ryan Howard, Jimmy Rollins, and Cole Hamels, while the other is riding Manny Ramirez, who's destroying the ball like he's 28 years old? Maybe the Cubs are cursed by some unseen being who hates Chicago. And maybe the Brewers choked in what was the first playoff appearance for many of their young players. 1 year after two of the youngest franchises in the National League played in the NLCS, two of the oldest franchises will be sparring this year. Plus, the two teams are packed with stars and interesting storylines, and not one annoying celebratory song or racing sausage. Remind me again how this is a bad thing?